Welcome back, dear audience. Today, I would like to talk about how you can live a meaningful life. A meaningful life is not about money or fame, it's about having a purpose in life. We should do good works every day, help others, be kindful to everyone. Small good actions can make a big difference. So, dear listeners, to make a meaningful life, we have to utilize our valuable time wisely because time is one of the most important things in our life. We should spend it learning, improving ourselves, and doing something beneficial. Dear audience, as a Muslim, a meaningful life means staying close to Allah. We should pray every day and follow the teachings of Holy Quran and try to live an honest and sincere life. Thank you, everyone.